Welcome to Healthy Eating for the College Student. I'm Trang Pham, a registered dietitian with Health Promotion and Wellness at Kennesaw State University. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the basics of what it means to eat healthily and how to fit that into your college life. I'm not going to tell you to eat this or don't eat that or that you're good or bad because of what you ate or didn't eat. As a dietitian, I'm here to provide evidence-based recommendations and help students improve their relationship with food. Dietitians can empower people to feel confident in listening to their bodies, to know what food choices will enable them to maintain a sense of well-being, because at the end of the day, who really knows best about your body than you? What is healthy eating? Healthy eating is consuming foods and beverages that help you feel your best. It's giving your body nutrients from a variety of foods. It's eating what your body wants when your body needs it, and eating enough so that it leaves you feeling better afterwards. Healthy eating is about inclusion, not avoidance. It's definitely not about perfection. We're all imperfect, so how can we expect our diets to be perfect? Healthy eating is non-judgmental. It's not connected to your self-worth. Healthy eating is enjoyable and intuitive. Our bodies will tell us what it needs if we just stop and listen to it. So the basic components of every healthy diet are the three macronutrients. They are carbohydrate, protein, and fat. And your body needs these nutrients in larger amounts, hence the prefix macro in macronutrient, which means large. Along with providing your body with energy, macronutrients play specific roles in your body and allow it to function properly. The first macronutrient is the carbohydrate. This is your body's preferred fuel source. It's found in grains, starchy vegetables like your potatoes, beans, the black beans, pinto beans, etc., as well as your peas and corn. Carbohydrates are also found in non-starchy vegetables and your fruit, as well as dairy products like milk and yogurt, and also in nuts and seeds. In your body, all carbohydrates are eventually broken down into glucose, which is your body's main energy source. The second macronutrient is protein. Protein is involved in many critical functions in our bodies, such as growth and development, tissue building and repair, and immune function. Protein also plays a major role in the maintenance of muscle mass and is an important component of hormones and enzymes. It also serves as an energy source when carbohydrates are unavailable. Protein-rich foods include meats, poultry, fish, and other seafood, eggs, nuts and seeds, beans like your black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, etc., dairy product, and soy products. There's also a small amount of protein in whole grains and vegetables. The third macronutrient is fat. Fat often gets a bad rep, but your body needs fat for growth and development, energy storage, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins K, A, D, and E. Fat also serves as a cushion for our delicate organs and is an important component of the cell membrane. Furthermore, fat provides taste, consistency, and stability in foods. Major sources of fat include vegetable oils like your olive, canola, and corn oils, avocados, olives, and coconut, nuts and seeds, as well as dairy products, fish, meats, and poultry, dressings that we drizzle on our salads, and baked goods and pastries and fried foods that we enjoy. While it isn't a macronutrient, water is an essential nutrient for your body. This means that it's a substance that must be obtained from your diet because your body can't make enough of it to meet its needs. Water accounts for roughly 60% of your body, and it plays a crucial role in keeping all of your body systems working well. Water helps to transport nutrients, removes waste from the body, lubricates around joints, acts as a shock absorber to protect delicate organs, and regulates body temperature to keep you from getting overheated. How much water you should be drinking each day varies, and it's based on age, gender, activity level, overall health, and even the climate you live in. The general guidelines for water are: women should drink about 9 cups a day, and men should drink about 12.5 cups a day. Nearly all foods contain some water, and some have more than others. Typically, you get about 20% of the additional water you need from the foods that you eat. Now let's talk about your daily eating schedule. Everyone's eating schedule will be different because we're all different. I recommend scheduling meals and snacks into your daily routine. Healthy eating habits start with having well-spaced meals and snacks throughout the day to keep your energy levels up and to prevent you from becoming too hungry to make healthy food choices. Here are some general guidelines. Have breakfast or your first meal of the day within 1 to 2 hours of waking up. Focus on eating foods that make you feel your best. Try including a food from each nutrient group that we discussed earlier in the video. What about lunch and dinner? If you have no idea where to start, try the plate method. The plate method is a technique of dividing up your plate so you can measure out appropriate portion sizes of different food groups. Half of your plate will be made up of a fruit and non-starchy vegetable like broccoli, green beans, etc. A quarter of your plate will be made up of a starch and grain like pasta, bread, rice, or a starchy vegetable like potato, corn, or peas. And the remaining quarter of your plate will be made up of any protein you like to eat. Add something from the dairy group to round out your meal, and all 5 major food groups are covered. Keep in mind, when using the plate method, you can have a serving of added fat with each meal. Snacks can be an enjoyable part of a healthy diet. They are perfect for when you're feeling hungry in between meals or if your meals are 3.5 or more hours apart. With snacks, try to include foods from at least 2 of the 5 food groups and look at them as opportunities to incorporate food groups that you may have missed at meals. Here are some examples of great snack ideas that you might want to give a try. Hummus with raw veggies and pita bread. Peanut butter with fresh fruit and veggies and some pretzels. What about turkey lunch meat with cottage cheese and some blueberries? In terms of serving sizes, listen to your body and let it tell you how much to eat. To learn more great nutrition tips, check out our Dietitian's Dish videos or schedule an appointment with a health promotion and wellness dietitian at KSU today. Live wise, live well, and thank you for watching.